here to step up our Star-Spangled Spread are our dear, dear friends, Jet and Tila.
Yeah.
Today we're doing bacon and egg potato salad.
Yeah.
We both love potato salad.
So, potatoes-wise, right? Usually, as cooks, we're always looking for starchy potatoes because you want kind of that creaminess. This is one place you can actually use a waxy potato. So, fingerlings, reds, any of those waxier potatoes. So, bring your potatoes up salted, cold water, and that's the way to play. Another ingredient I want you to put in your arsenal or your pantry is slab bacon.
Slab.
Yeah, right? Yep. Total cook's thing. Everyone uses thin sliced bacon. Slab bacon, not cut, so I can make these perfect little like bacon bites, lardons, whatever you want to call them.
And you can just pick that up at the butcher, right?
Yeah, yeah. And if you don't have slab bacon, don't freak out. Still make this recipe.
Well, and they have now center cut bacon for us home cooks at National Brand. So it's not as thick, but it's getting thicker than the regular.
It is. It's getting better.
Yeah.
So the bacon comes up nice and slow, right? I start in a cold pan.
Do you put butter or water in yours?
You know what? I don't personally. I may be a little pan spray or just a touch of oil, like just to get the pan started, because look at all that fat we get to render once you slow start. So that's the bacon and that's the potatoes. Now let's get over to the flavor part of this recipe.
Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna make our dressing. We have our Greek yogurt first in a bowl. You want your bowl as big as the whole potato salad, so you can just pour your potatoes right in there. We're gonna add a little bit of red wine vinegar. We're gonna get fancy pants here with some whole grain mustard.
Ooh, gotta have it.
Tila's like to go fancy once in a while.
Pinkies up, the whole deal.
A little bit of red onion.
It's a lot, and I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. Like that. A little sugar.
Balances it all out.
Balances it all out. And of course your salt and pepper, because you want to always remember to season every layer.
Look at
And
that.
Jet, how long did you cook those potatoes?
These potatoes are gonna go for about 8 to 14 minutes, again, coming up slow. Once you cook the potatoes, you wanna drain them really well and then let them cool on a sheet pan before you use them. Get your potatoes cut in larger pieces, and you want to get them in while they're warm. Because of the starches in the potatoes are nice and still kind of soft, it's going to pick up all that flavor, especially if you have a vinegar in your potato salad, and that's the way to go. And I'm not mad if you take, so you've got the potato and you've got the bacon, and I'm not mad.
And we got scallions in there
Scallions
too.
And here's a little tip, like, because we're using Greek yogurt, you know what, we can make it up with a little bacon fat.
And then you got eggs coming in there too?
Yeah, exactly. Take your eggs, cold start them in water. Once the water comes up to a boil, shut it off. When the water is cool enough to the touch, that egg is perfectly boiled.
Oh, that's one I haven't heard before.
Perfect, creamy.
Perfect. No
Right, because we're always like, how many minutes do we bring the water up first? If you just start cold starting some of the items that you're cooking, you have more control over them, and they'll actually cook a lot more evenly. Got it. Let me plate that up for you guys, team, and then I'm going to make sure everyone gets a little taste here. It's a really beautiful rustic potato salad.